Recorded this a couple days ago, and the battery died on me without knowing. And I was there talking to myself for an hour and a half on a full hour and a half ride. Dude, I really gotta fix my eyeglasses. Don't know why. One of the pieces start like chip away, like you know the covering for your ear, by your temple, and like there's a really sharp piece underneath it. It's been just digging into my ear. These are wet, so I've gotta be careful. It's early in the morning and the roads are wet. Alright guys, you might be wondering where I've been with the bike content this last week. My apologies. I've been having PC issues. I've been caught up in a lot of other things that caused me to. Well, you guys might have seen one of my other videos or my shorts. I was mentioning it. I'm currently backlogged with all of my video editing. I just haven't gone around to it, so I had to dip into the videos I was recording for Vlogmas. That's right. We picked up an Audi A4. That's a whole nother story. That car. Oh, I got a good story for another time for you guys about that car. Oh my god, let me tell you. I love Audi as a brand. They make nice cars, but that car in particular by itself has left, I kid you not, a sour taste in my mouth. Probably won't be buying another Audi for a while. Just basically because of that car. Like, don't get me wrong, but this Audi makes amazing cars. That car just has bad luck, and I'm gonna give you guys a story about that for another day. But yeah, today's video is just like an update on where I've been, what I'm doing. Well, as you guys can see this video, I had recorded this and like 3 to 4 other videos this weekend. When I got home, I realized that my voice recorder didn't record any of it. The battery died without me knowing. I didn't check that the battery was low. So all the voice recording for an hour and a half ride, just me yapping away, didn't even record. I got the video footage, which I'm going to turn into reels and shit and stuff. I'm going to turn the video that I had into reels, but I can't really use that into like a vlog or anything. So, re-recording them. So that's an update on me. How are you guys doing? It rained a lot yesterday, so I gotta be careful. And I hope you guys are having a great time. Yeah, going to work now. My parents were like, why don't you just take the vehicle? Like, seriously, it might rain in the afternoon. I'm like, we'll see what happens in the afternoon when we get there. Packed an extra jacket, that should be good. I've ridden in worse. Well, not this, like, I've ridden in rain before. So, just gotta be careful, and I'll be good. And the next couple days I'm home, so, yeah. What do you guys think about me doing the car content again? Because as you guys know, yeah, with the Audi, I plan on bringing back some content. That doesn't mean that the bike content is going away. The bike content is here to stay, don't get me wrong. I'm just going to add a little bit of car content here and there. Because as you guys might know, if you're an OG, this page started off doing car content on my Ford Mustang, and the E46, the E90, and old blue, the F-150, which is currently on sale. I'm thinking of doing more car content again, because we're coming up on the rainy season. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to ride again, and I want to record as much as I can on the bike, but at the same time have a pool of content as well, like a variety. Because no, we've just been doing videos on the Marauder for like almost a year now. It's been growing the page, but I'm trying to diversify the content a bit. more car content, I feel like it would be dope. If you guys don't feel like you want this page to just be bike content only, I'll make another page for car content. I just feel like it'd be awesome to have it all in one place. I would love to hear you guys' feedback on what you guys prefer. Like, the Audi content is going to be there, yeah, for a bit. I don't know how much of that. It all depends on the next few months. I'll explain more on that in a dedicated video on the current status of that car. Oh man, you guys are going to enjoy that story. I will say right now, get some popcorn and some drinks. You guys are in for a long ride with that thing. For those of you who know me personally and have been with me for this experience, oh, you guys can attest to that. So yeah, that's sort of it for this video. This is just a quick little update I want to give you guys on where I've been, what I'm doing. The content's coming. This next week we're going to the track, Mission Raceway. My buddy Disaster, you guys might know him, Jimmy, with the 2017 Camaro SS. It's going to be going the direct. I believe it's a 2017 Jimmy. If I'm wrong, apologies, man. But if you guys want to show him some love, show him some love. He's coming back with content real soon. I'm trying to make him come back. He's recording videos. Just hasn't put them out yet, but he's been recording banger videos. I tell you guys, he has amazing video editing skills. Go drop him a sub if you can. I'll leave a link to his channel down below. And let's get him back on the grind. Yeah, we're going to be back on the track. I want to be recording all those too. I'm excited to see the motorcycle class for drag racing as well. I feel like riding in the Marauder daily now has improved my skills, and next year I want to try and drag race the motorcycle. I want to try my hands on that. I handle that kind of thing. It'll be fun. I feel like it'll be very fun. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here before I keep on yammering. I need to record a couple more. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing. It's Single NJ, Keep on Marauder, signing out. I'll catch y'all in the next one. See ya.